Ever feel like your stomach has a mind of its own? 1 minute you're fine, and the next, your brain is screaming for snacks. It's 11 p.m. and you're hunting for cookies. Stop blaming your willpower. It's not because you're greedy or lack discipline. It's because your body's emergency alarm is going off. Today, I'll show you the secret magic key hidden right in your salad. This key mutes that alarm before it starts. Before we unlock it, make sure to subscribe and join our community for evidence-based health strategies. Now let's dive into the science behind your salad. Think of sugar like a toy battery that powers your body's daily energy. If you put too much energy in at once, like eating bread or pasta, a little yellow sugar character goes way up high. Then comes your body's policeman, insulin. He comes in too fast and takes all that energy away to protect you. The track disappears and the sugar character falls into a dark pit. Now your tummy feels empty even though you just ate. This is why you're hungry again so soon. But here comes the secret helper. Potassium, represented by these animated purple sparks. Potassium acts like little keys. They open doors into your cells so the yellow sugar balls can walk in and sleep peacefully. Without potassium, sugar stays outside making noise. When you have enough from greens, the sugar goes into storage properly. This keeps your energy battery steady. You don't feel that emergency hunger that leads to the midnight fridge raid. Think of your dinner salad as a salad shield. It's a literal barrier that tells the sugar to take its time. Look at these bright green spinach leaves and big red tomatoes. This isn't just a side dish, it's high-tech superhero food. One big bowl of greens at dinner sends a secret code to your brain. We're full, we're safe, and we don't need cookies. Try the Big Salad Challenge tonight. It's the easiest trick in the book to stabilize your insulin and kill those cravings. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to beat the fridge monster. Tell me your favorite topping in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick health hacks. See you next time for more ways to reclaim your energy.